Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add attendees to your Zoom meeting. It is really simple. Just click right here on participants when you are in your meeting and then click on invite right here. Now you have to choose your email service to send an invitation, so choose default email, Gmail or Yahoo Mail, and here in the corner you should see your meeting passcode. You can also copy invitation or copy invite link to send straight to someone through a chatting application or through a different method. Right now I will show you how to use Gmail, so just click on Gmail. This will take you to your Gmail mail, and then simply just type mail of the person that you want to send it to. And as you can see, there will be meeting ID and the passcode. Just press send right here. This will close it. And now simply they get the mail and can join in. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.